Okay, so we are hiking the Newlands Forest today, and I'm gonna just give you a view of just those key places that I'm gonna be vlogging on. So yeah, come with me and have a salad. We're actually in the forest now. Yes. Oh, God.
So what is it? Potato salad or is it like a salad with mayonnaise?
Yeah, be careful. Alright.
Oh, the natural is good there.
There are few. See this part? These are 2 routes, and you need to know exactly which part you are taking. If you're hiking in group, you'd have to go in groups, yeah? Else you're going to get lost.
I need to be exposed big time. Even when I'm talking, I must come out by force.
And water from here. And don't worry, you're going to see a lot of my videos if I'm hiking with water running or any place I find water, because sorry, that's my personal preference. Yeah. So partly the hiking on Newlands Forest has this, a lot of them, because it's rocky and you kind of see this running water coming out of the rocks. Enjoy it. This is what I was talking about earlier, that you would have to go in groups if you're hiking with others, because it gets confusing when you get to part like this. See, there's one route here. Here, there's another route here. This very side, and then there's one here. So you gotta have to wait for others to finalize on which one you're going, else you're going to be dispersed.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Morning, morning.
How do you spell Jordan Joroge? Oh, it's Stephen Joroge.
Okay, I actually climbed up there and I just got down here to vlog. That's a nice waterfall. I just love it. Yeah, you can see people going up. You know, the video is actually slanted this way. See, that's one part about this hike. You'd have to climb this ladder. It doesn't look that intensive anyway, but no one is vlogging from this side.
Hiking is ladies, oh my god. It's like a route.
Small video. Yeah. And it's
Okay, back to walking in sand. This is a relief, and it tells you that you are done with your hiking here. Yeah. Oh god. Yeah, there's actually sand everywhere. Yeah, that's a good sign anyway. Kudos to me. Say hi, cheese. Hello guys. Done with your hike, right? Oh god, this is trying to divide this apple with a student card.
DIY. DIY.
All the corona.
Are you done?
We should do that again. She was sharpening it. Sharpening the student card. Oh my word.
Wow.
There we go.
She's done. Thank you. That's a very good video of this.
Yesterday.
You don't want to sit on the stove?
Yeah.
Yesterday. But doctor involved.
So why are you actually
Didn't drink, do any dressing.
No, I was just wondering
And I
how
go?
you knew this, because I was like, ah.